Like, I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't know my vocal type, and my stupid computer won't let me download. Simply the thing. Whatever. So I'm just gonna sing Snowman, cause like I don't know honestly. Um, I guess I don't know. Anyways. I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I'm Mrs. Snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for all seasons. So come on, let's go below zero and hide from the sun. I'll love you forever, but we'll have some fun. Yeah, let's hit the North Pole and live happily. Please don't cry, no tears now, it's Christmas, baby. Yippee.